Hello everyone, let's create a coil using Blender, and in my case I'm using Blender 4.4. Once you start Blender you will be presented with this screen. Just hover anywhere outside this box and click A to select all, X to delete and delete. Shift A to get this window and select Mesh, Circle, rotate a bit, tab for edit mode, or you can go from here, object mode, edit mode. So we need edit mode. G to move, press X to constrain on the x-axis. 10 to write down the amount you want it to move, and now it is stuck at 10M. Press enter, and you need to be in the edit mode so the origin stays at the middle. Now go to modifiers, add modifier, generate, screw. In the axis, select Y. Now screw the amount you want. You can drag it or type down the amount you want. And now the iteration, select how many, zoom out. Now if you want to rotate it 90 degrees, tab to get out of the edit mode, R to rotate, X to rotate it in the x-axis, 90 to rotate it 90 degrees, press enter. If you want it to be thicker, tab for edit mode, S to scale this circle, and you see, now it is thicker. Tab to exit from the edit mode to go to object mode, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.